I don't know what I'm talking about. Hold on, I'm gonna get this. It's your boy, I'm a man. Hey, how are you? Hello. How much does a polar bear weigh? Enough to break the ice. Hi, I'm Sam. Hey everyone, it's Sammy, doing a new recipe with you for today. We are going to be making limoncello. It's a very popular Italian lemon vodka infused drink. 2020 has been quite the year. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. But this time, we're not going to make lemonade, we are going to make limoncello. Come join me. Oh, hi! Well, as you can see, we have our finished product, the limoncello. It's beautiful, really citrusy notes. Perfect for a warm summer day just like this. Now, it makes a big batch, so make sure you share it with your friends, and I'm sure they'll love it. Because when life gives you lemons, you make limoncello, that's right. You can all use a little bit of limoncello these days, especially how 2020 is going. So, enjoy, have a great time, and ciao! 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 Ciao!